What's up, folks? Welcome to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show how you can enable or disable Instagram's automatic captions feature on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram on your iPhone. Then, tap on your profile icon from the bottom bar. Next, tap the hamburger menu icon from the upper right corner of the screen. And select Settings and Privacy from here. Now, scroll down a little and find the Accessibility settings. Then, tap on it. After that, tap on Captions. Now, just toggle on this feature and automatic captions will be turned on for you. You can also see and choose what language the caption will be shown. Oh, and if you want to turn it off, just toggle off captions from here. So, that's how you turn on or off automatic captions in Instagram on your iPhone. If the video was useful, smash that like button. Interested in more Instagram hacks and tips? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.